Hello readers, I am Krishna Gupta and I will discuss Chapter 6 Part 1 of book Chanakya Niti by Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai. You will walk on path of success if you know how to deal with different types of people. Be generous with family, kind with servants, smart with cunning people, and loving with good people. Be frank with scholars, courageous with enemies, humble with elders, and stern with women. Look at others' wives as your mothers and others' money as a lump of clay. Consider the problem of others as your own and your personality will change. Human tendency is that we love criticizing people. Before judging someone, understand his merits first. Keep working hard for yourself. Let your work speak for you. Family and friends are a vital part of life. A son should follow his father's orders and father should nurture his children. Friends are people you have faith on. Every wife should build a good relationship with the husband to live a happy life. Every parent should keep a check on their kids, support their needs, and shower them with love. A mentor should nurture his subordinates to create leaders. You should treat 5 people as your father figures. The one who gave you birth, who introduced you into society, who taught you, who fulfilled your needs, and who protected you from fear. You should respect 5 figures as your mothers. The wives of your king, your friend, and your teacher are like mothers to you. The mother who gave you birth and your mother-in-law should be given equal respect. Parenting have many stages. The first 5 years of kid should be spent by showering love on him. The next 10 years should be spent by teaching discipline, and after 15 years, parent must treat him as his friend. A society is based on values. Social interaction increases bonding and fear of law brings discipline. There should be a sense of shame which helps eliminate misconduct. Kindness is the most important value. Liberality helps us embrace others' opinion. Living with the guilt of doing bad deeds is worse than death. If you have committed a mistake, it's better to accept it with grace. At least you will be able to live life with reputation. Different people have different desires. The lower class needs wealth. The middle class wishes for wealth and respect, but the upper class aspires only for respect, since respect is the greatest wealth. Everyone has a source of happiness. A priest is happy with proper meal, and the peacock is happy when it rains. A devoted person finds happiness in prosperity of others, but the weak person finds happiness and celebrates on problems of others. Everyone has their own importance in life. The worth of a servant can be checked by testing his honesty and hard work. Relatives can be checked by seeing how much they support you in crisis. Friends can be checked by seeing how much they support you in your times of need. A wife's worth can be checked from the support she gives her husband in his bad time. Here's a list of tips that Chanakya teaches us. You should know art of dealing with different kind of individuals. Don't waste time criticizing others. Utilize that time to work on yourself. Family and friends are very important to lead a happy life, and you can't do without them. The art of parenting is not an easy one. You should shower love, instill discipline, and be a friend to your kid. It is natural to commit a mistake, but it is very crucial to accept the mistake. We come to an end of this part.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Dagde and I will discuss Chapter 6 Part 2 of the book Chanakya Niti by Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai. So let's start. You should treat your son and your student with strictness and not love. One who instills discipline in his child is a true parent. This case is same with a teacher. Discipline will help the student to flourish in his life. Acharya Chanakya suggests that you should keep yourself away from some people. Excessive closeness with kings, religious teacher, and a woman is dangerous. You should keep yourself away from the fire. Nevertheless, you should not cut all ties with them. Just ensure a safe distance. Acharya Chanakya preaches that you should have a support system at your back, because without a guidance, even an intelligent man will fail. There is immense strength in unity. You can easily beat your enemy if you have a good team. A traitor is never welcomed in society. A person who deceives his own community and seeks shelter with the enemy is a traitor. Acharya Chanakya suggests that money has the power to help you in crisis, so save it. But don't compromise your wife for money. Again, if your own life is at risk, then forget everything and prioritize it. Improve your personality and don't look casual when you meet people. Your body language should be enough to say that you are a professional person and not to be taken lightly. The proverb tit for tat is very true. Treat others the way they treat you. Be kind with the kind people and pay back the one who are cruel to you. The author suggests that you must handle some things and people with great care. Be careful when you are talking to high authorities like members of royal family. Be alert when you are dealing with fire, water, women and fools. All these people can land you in trouble and can even bring death. Kings, prostitutes, thieves, children, beggars and god of death cannot understand others' problems since they are self-centered and absorbed in their own issue. Fire is one such thing. Tax collector never think once before claiming their deed. While talking about honesty, Acharya Chanakya says, honest and sincere people are always looked for. Powerful men like kings wish to recruit trustworthy subordinates who can serve them with honesty. So, when you work, build a trust with your boss so that he can count you during unpredictable situations. Jealous people cannot accept their loss when they see others reaching great height of their success. They burn with jealousy as they realize that they themselves lead a mediocre life. You must have a powerful character and you should take stand for yourself. One who cannot punish others with his anger and one who cannot grant favor on being pleased are useless. They can neither protect nor punish others. Hence, you should have a powerful say in everything. Goodness inside a man is invincible. A wicked man can turn into a good one in company of good, but a good man cannot turn into a wicked one because goodness inside him will never get destroyed. Lastly, the author says, marriage holds an important part in women's life. In olden times, women were wedded off as soon as possible because it was said that it is vital to get settled after a particular age. So here is the list of things that Acharya Chanakya teaches us from this part. A good parent ensures that his child has discipline in order to flourish in his life. Victory is easily achievable to those who have a good team at their back. Don't ever commit the sin of deceiving your own people and community. Have an appealing personality and a good body language. Be kind with the kind people and be careful while dealing with those who have given you a tough time. There is no parallel to honesty. So work with sincerity and honesty. Always take stand for yourself when it's required. Here we come to an end of this part. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.
Hello readers, I am Muskan Khandelwal and I will discuss chapter 6, part 3 of the book Chanakya Niti by Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai. Welcoming and serving our guests is inbuilt in the Indian culture. Even when people unexpectedly turn up at your place, you must show them your hospitality. Different people have different reasons to respect others. A wife respects her husband and a family respects the guest that comes. The priest reveres fire and he himself is respected by the entire society. Kind people radiate goodness and positivity. Always use kind and pleasing words in your speech, as bitter words can hurt more than weapons. You must be well versed with the art of pleasing people. You can win over greedy people by showering them with money. You can please arrogant men by praising them. A fool is lost in his fancy world. You can please him by appreciating even his irrational decisions. Lastly, there is no better way to please wise men than treating him humbly and honestly. Everyone has something to teach. Learn manners from the princess and learn the art of conversation from the priest. Good gamblers teach the strategy of deceiving others. Thus, the world is a big school. Quality comes over quantity. It is fine if a king doesn't have his kingdom. At least it is better than ruling others with dictatorship. No friends are better than having bad company. No students are better than having foolish ones. Finally, it is better to not have a wife than having a dishonest one. If a religion lacks compassion, it is better to not follow it. Having a teacher who lacks education is useless. A dishonest wife should be left alone. Also, for the relatives who doesn't have affection, it is better to keep a distance from them. Love has no bounds and it overcomes long distances. When you love someone, he or she will always be in your thoughts, even there is a long distance between both of you. On the other hand, if you are not emotionally close to a person, he or she will always seem far away. Family relations are fragile and can easily get destroyed one day. So don't feel sad about it, as it is the way of life. People grow up with family. Once they are adult, they naturally move out and prioritize their individual life. Hermits preach how to lead a simple life. They eat what they get and are content with whatever they have. They are devoted and spend all day in the quest to find God. Their way of living has a lot to tell. On the opposite, an individual who is involved in the worldly affairs and manages business activities is a Vyasa. Here is a list of tips that Chanakya teaches us in this part. First, treat your guests at home with the best of your kindness and hospitality. Second, be kind with your words. Third, you should know how to treat different kind of people. Fourth, there is no end of learning, so gather knowledge from anywhere and everywhere. Fifth, quality is more important than quantity. We have come to the end of the chapter. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.